Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to walk you through how to create linked visualizations in Power BI, a super useful skill for anyone who wants to make their dashboards interactive and intuitive. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to set up visualizations that talk to each other, making it much easier for your viewers or colleagues to drill down and explore data from different angles. Let's dive right in and get started. The first step is getting our sample data into Power BI. For this, we'll use a simple dataset with regions, products, and sales figures. With Power BI Desktop open, go ahead and click on the Home tab and find the Enter Data button. This lets you quickly add a table manually. Now just copy and paste the data I've provided into the grid. You'll have columns for region, product, and sales, with a mix of regions like North, South, East, and West, and products such as laptop, tablet, and phone with their respective sales numbers. This manual entry is perfect for practice or small datasets. It saves you the hassle of importing files when you just need something quick and clean to work with. Once your data is entered, Power BI will create a new table automatically and you're ready to build your visuals. Let's start by adding a clustered column chart. Simply go to the Visualizations pane, click on the clustered column chart, and drag Region into the Axis field and Sales into the Values field. What you should see is a straightforward visual breakdown. Each region shows its total sales. Next, let's add a pie chart to the report canvas. For this chart, take product and put it into the legend area and once again use sales as your value. Now you have two very different but closely related visuals sitting side by side, one comparing regions and their total sales, and the other showing the proportion of sales across different products. Here, where Power BI magic really happens by default, these visuals are linked through the underlying dataset. This means interactivity happens straight out of the box. Try clicking on North in your column chart. You'll notice the pie chart instantly updates, highlighting just the product sales for the North region. If you click on Laptop in the pie chart, the column chart reacts by highlighting how laptop sales are spread across all regions. This is called cross-filtering or cross-highlighting, and it's a powerful way to let users slice and dice data by simply interacting with visuals. It's satisfying to see things light up as you click around. Don't worry if it takes you a few moments to see all the different interactions. That's part of exploring your data, but what if you want a bit more control? Maybe you want one visual to completely filter another, or you want to turn off linking altogether. That's when you use the Edit Interactions feature. Head up to the Format tab and select Edit Interactions. When you select any visuals, say the column chart, look at the top right corner of the pie chart. You'll see three little icons: a funnel, a shaded circle, and a circle with a slash. These let you pick how clicking one chart affects the other. The funnel, for example, tells Power BI to filter the data entirely, hiding anything that doesn't match. The circle highlights related data, which can help users see both the context and the detail. And if you don't want the visuals to communicate at all, just pick the circle with a slash. This customization is handy. For instance, if you want the column chart to control the pie chart strictly, you'd use the filter option. If you prefer subtlety, highlight is a good pick. And having the option to turn off interactions altogether is a lifesaver when your visuals don't logically relate. Why is this all so valuable? Linked visuals transform static dashboards into dynamic, exploratory tools. Users can zoom in on specifics, answer their own questions, and see relationships in real time. Rather than rebuilding reports for every viewpoint, you empower anyone to self-service their analysis, which makes your dashboards both smarter and more engaging. So there you have it. You've set up linked visualizations in Power BI, watched them update each other, and tuned how those links work to fit your story. If you found this walkthrough helpful, hit that like button. It really supports the channel. If you have any questions or run into any tricky bits, let me know in the comments and I'll be happy to help. And don't forget to subscribe for more practical Power BI tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.